This morning's privacy tips are about LinkedIn, and this one is about controlling who can access your email address. Start by signing in to your LinkedIn account. Once you've done that, select that down arrow underneath your icon in your LinkedIn account. From here, the next thing you want to select is Settings and Privacy. Next, on the left side, select Visibility. And the item that we're interested in is who can see or download your email address. Select Change. And this is where you can make changes only visible to yourself. First degree connections. Those are the people that you communicate with. First and second degree. That means those you communicate and their friends, or anyone on LinkedIn. Well, if you like total privacy on LinkedIn, of course it would be only visible to me. If you want to communicate with your folks that you know on LinkedIn, then select first degree connections, which is what I'll be doing. And if you really don't care, anyone on LinkedIn, not a recommended suggestion. And that's what it takes to restrict access to your email account on your LinkedIn account. Stay safe, stay secure, and stay a little more private. Bye bye.